Okay, setting the timing here. So basically what I've done, I've taken a voltmeter and I put it on the ohm setting, okay, which is gonna give you probably one of these two. This one on the far right with the vocal just means volume, which is great, because that means that anytime there is continuity, you're gonna hear a ring. But anyways, so to set the timing, what I did is if you come down to here to the points, by the way, this is for a single cylinder point system. So you got the cord coming out of the points. So what I did is I took it and I attached it to, and usually it's green, you can kind of see it in there, but I took it and I attached it to the red cord on the voltmeter, okay? And then the black cord, I just grounded to the engine, right? So essentially, if your timing is on, what should happen is as you turn this clockwise, the fire mark, when it rotates to this line here and it lines up, you should hear an alarm that comes off from the voltmeter. However, right now when I do this, it actually fires, and I'll show you guys, not on that, but I'm just gonna turn it so you can hear where it actually fires. See? Hear it? It should be way, that should be way down here, but it's not. So I'm gonna turn it back just a little bit. So what that means is if you go up here and you loosen the two outside screws, it will take the pressure off this back plate. And initially this back plate should be lined up here. You're gonna have this line up with that, right? However, that doesn't mean that your timing is going to be perfect. So what you're going to have to do is basically take a flathead screwdriver and you're going to have to get in here, move the plate either way, and keep coming back down here to mess with it. So if you move this forward, you're just going to keep spinning the bottom thing until it lines up. So essentially, I want this mark to be on, where is it? I want it to be right here. Like right there. Okay, so I'm gonna mess with that and I'm gonna come back to you guys and see what happens. Hopefully that all makes sense. But essentially you have a voltmeter, you set it to ohms, you're gonna run the red cord to coming out of the points and tie them together. And then the black cord you're gonna ground to the engine or to the frame or whatever. And then you're gonna come over here and you're gonna basically rotate it counterclockwise, here where it beeps. If it does not line up with the F mark on this dot, then what you want to do is come back up here and you're going to shift the plate one way or another to get that to occur. We'll be back.